Talon sleep. Voice control safety note. If I put your Talon to sleep, then a video just successfully gave your computer orders. To prevent this or any Ataraxy.consulting tutorial from giving your Talon-enabled computer orders, keep Talon in sleep mode, or wear headphones, or turn your audio off and use captions. Okay? Ataraxy.consulting presents Help Alphabet. The voice command Help Alphabet shows a list of the Talon phonetic alphabet voice commands. The Talon phonetic alphabet is for pressing letter keys, pressing keyboard shortcuts, and for spelling out words letter by letter. The voice command Help Close closes the menu again. Ataraxy.consulting presents Help Close. Thank you for watching, and goodbye, everyone.